Take a look of the view behind of me. And right here, it is just 3 minutes walk to Marymount MRT, 3 minutes to nearby hawker center, and 5 minutes to a local supermarket. For minor necessity, there's in-house convenience, 7-Eleven, and more shops to explore. Yes, Cedric from Property 65 again, and this is the Jadescape Condo, which is just 1 MRT station away from Bishan MRT and the iconic Junction 8 Mall. For this time, let's head down to look at the facilities of the project.
Located along Shun Fu Road, Jadescape is also 4 minutes walk to Marymount MRT, where you can conveniently access the Circle Line. You can easily find Shun Fu Mart, Sheng Siong Supermarket at Thomson Plaza, clinics, bakery and coffee shops just within 3 minutes walk. Only 1 MRT station to Bishan MRT, where you can shop at Junction 8 Mall and access the North-South line. You can also find renowned education institutions such as Raffles Institution, Raffles Girls Secondary School and Kuo Chuan Presbyterian Secondary School. Hi everyone! Look behind me! This is the Catholic High School, which is a primary school that is ranking top 2 out of 181 primary schools in 2022. More references can be found in the link description below. What's more, it's also close to MacRitchie Reservoir. Enjoy your morning jog or brisk walk session so conveniently.
Alright, before we head down, please like, share and subscribe to our video. I truly thank you for your support. Let's go!
At over 409,000 square feet land area and 1,206 units, Jadescape is generally 4 times larger than a normal condo development. Jadescape recently TOP during 2022, and this is one of the most impressive Central-fringe developments to reside in. Jadescape adopts the current trend of sleek glass and straight lines, and the best part is the landscaping and the architectural design of the development have important feng shui features that governs health and wealth. One of the key USP of this project is of its smart home technology. Facial recognition is the way to go. This is what you should expect in a brand new development that is right over here. It serves so much convenience. This trusted developer, Qingjian Realty Pte Ltd, has a commitment to provide quality homes in Singapore and is widely recognized. Consistently receives BCI Asia Top 10 award and has amassed various awards from the Southeast Asia Property Awards and many other Singapore Property Awards.
Okay guys, where am I now? Here's the floor plan of the house. I'm at the living room area, and for this video, we have Eunice to join us in-house.
Hi everyone, I'm Eunice here.
Okay Eunice, proceed to the balcony, do your stuff.
Okay, I'm ready. 哇，这么美的 view！ 哇 ，high floor unblocked view
Okay. Later we will get back to Eunice, but now first, let's proceed from the door entrance and right from the kitchen.
As we step inside this luxurious residence, you'll immediately notice the seamless blend of modernity and comfort. The elegant design and premium finishes create a warm and inviting ambience for young couples and small families. The kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line professional-grade appliances that combines innovation and performance. From sleek built-in refrigerators and a dishwasher, every appliance here is a testament to uncompromising quality and sophistication. All of the electrical appliances are from a reputable brand called SMAC.
Okay, right at my right over here, all the way from the edge of the wall to the entrance walkway, coupled with top and down cabinetries. Your house will never be messy again because one of the lovely features that is done by Qingjian the developer, they actually install lots of storage for your house. I can show it to you. Let's say over here. And for our first storage cabinet over here, it's our DB box. Router, internet, OpenNet, everything you can be hidden, concealed in this storage, meaning no wire will be revealed throughout the house. And move on further here, our inbuilt kitchen fridge. The fridge is right over here. 2-door fridge top down, plenty of room size, good enough for family of 3. And over here, what do we have? Solid surface with marble design, coupled with our SMAC oven, our SMAC cooker hob and hood. And look over here, our top cabinet. Wide range, plenty of storage. Open it up and we have good quality hinges from Blue. And look right here, you don't get this in other condo development, which is very, very rare. an actual allocated space for dishwasher machine. The dishwasher is a 2-in-1 function. Of course, you can wash your dishes and your fruits and vegetables too. And lastly, what do we have here? Our areas for our washer and dryer. Same thing like our cooker hob and fridge. Everything is from Smack. It's an Italian brand. And to my left over here, our dining area. Fits for a family of 4. Dining table plus a 4-seater area. And I also would like to mention the flooring is so elegant, blends with the whole area of the house. Plus the furnishing and the nice thoughtfully lightings done out by the owner. The floorings are porcelain tiles with marble design all the way from the entrance to the master bedroom walkway. Come to thought of it, how's Eunice doing? Let's check back on her at the balcony. Hey Eunice, 在干嘛？
我的发，我左眼是来看 unblock view， 右眼是看 landed view。我看到了 unblock view， 又忘记了 landed view， 又看不到东西，他们都叫我 Chan。
Step out onto the balcony and you'll be greeted by unobstructed views that stretch far and wide. The unblocked views showcase the cityscape and the landed views, offer us an ever-changing canvas of beauty. From the spacious and elegant interiors to the captivating balcony views, this residence exemplifies the epitome of luxury living within our exclusive mega development. Now, let's explore the bedrooms. Each bedroom is generously proportioned and meticulously designed to offer the utmost comfort and privacy. From the master suite featuring a lavish ensuite bathroom to the guest rooms adorned with scenic views, every room is a heaven within this opulent residence.
Hi guys, welcome to our signature toilet tour. And this toilet is 5 square meter. This is a wall-hung toilet branded from Laufen, Switzerland. And this is toilet button. This is solid surface marble looking type tiles. This is our wash tap basin Hansgrohe from Germany. This is the mirror. Developer also have given inbuilt light fittings for the mirror's vanity top. This is an array of perfume on top of exquisite toilet fixtures. This is the shower area with a slight recessed depth so that there's no spillage out to the dry area. This is the balcony screen. This is the shower head countertop for you to put your daily shampoo and conditioner. And right over here, this is our anti-slick back toilet towels. And this is the end of Cedric's signature toilet tour.
Did you know that Jadescape has so much more potential? First, Bishan Sub-Regional Centre. With excellent public transport connections, Bishan Sub-Regional Centre will be transformed into an employment node that is integrated with community facilities to serve both residents and workers. Next, Mount Alvernia expansion. Mount Alvernia Hospital will be enhancing its medical services with a new wing focusing on family-centric healthcare services. Why wait another 3 years to reside in a comparable brand new condo when you can do it now? Nearby, AMO Residence is already transacting at 2,356 per square feet. I believe you have to pay more expenses if you were to buy this property, as you will need to rent during these 3 years, which is approximately $108,000 more. Alright, I believe you're really keen to know the payment plan for this beautiful unit. Assuming purchasing at 1.75 million, you will need 5% cash, 87,500, 20% CPF or cash, down payment of 350,000, 75% bank loan of $1,312,500, which the monthly installment will be $5,534 for 30 years tenure at a current bank interest of 3%. Do note you can use your monthly CPF OA for the deduction of the monthly installment. And a bonus, if you are a couple that is sharing the mortgage, it's only around $1,500 cash after the CPF deduction. That is assuming that you're earning 6K per month respectively.
Alright guys, we have come to the end of the video. And if you would like to view the house, feel free to contact us.
Please remember to click like, share and subscribe, and you can find us on all social media platforms linked in the description box below.
And yes, remember, owners, we uplift your property value, we sell higher. Contact us to explore your choices now. See you guys next video.
See you!